Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful depowder nail design using Revel nail depowders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Pink and Yellow, known as Flippant and Blake, Cherael Sky Dark Pink, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear acrylic powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkle the Cherael Sky Dark Pink on my nails. I did one more layer after this. If you can get away with applying one layer, that would be fine, but I missed out some areas when I was applying the first layer, so that's why I applied another layer. Now I applied some base to the nail, and then I applied one of my dried flowers to that area. Then I applied another dried flower. Then I also applied base to the nail and added some iridescent shattered glass all over the nail. I like applying these shattered glass to the nails because it really brings out the flowers. On the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I dipped into the yellow dip powder. I did 2 layers of yellow. I should have just applied 1 layer. I don't know why I applied 2. Don't apply 2 if you're doing this design. It didn't make no sense. Then in a container, I applied the yellow and the pink dip powder, and then I swirled it together to get the marble effect. Then, taking my base, I applied it to the nail, and then I laid my finger in the marble mixture. So I didn't really like the first layer. I wanted more pink to be showing than yellow, so I did it over again. That's the reason why I shouldn't have done 2 layers of yellow, because it's a marble and I should have catered for the fact that I might want to place another layer of marble. So now the nail is gonna be bulky, and I still have to apply the clear dip powder to encapsulate. So I did file into the nail, but luckily it's a marble nail, so if I file into it, it would still look like a marble, so I got lucky. However, I didn't really like how this marble came out, because closer to the cuticle there, I find it had too much pink. I liked it how it looked on the tip area there, well, from the middle to the tip. how you're seeing a little bit of yellow. I liked that. But to the cuticle area there, I didn't really like how it had so much pink, but whatever, can't do nothing about it now. So okay, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So as you can see on the middle finger, I'm just applying my glitter dots all over the nail. I really like how this nail came out, and the thumb, it's so simple but so nice. I really liked it. So now on the index finger, I did a color block nail design. I did 4 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. So I realized that my pink, the powder was bleeding on the yellow a little. So this is what I did. When I was filing, the index and the ring finger was giving me a lot of trouble. The activator wasn't curing as fast as the others. I don't know if this is because of the 2 colors being together, like it caused it to not cure as fast. But the nail, like when I was filing it, it was coming off in, not, I wouldn't say chunks, but it was coming off, but it wasn't that bad that, it needed to be spoken about. But, I just thought I'd let you guys know, just in case it probably might happen to you. I don't know. I just thought I would say it. Now on the thumb, I did the whole nail yellow. So this nail, I redid this nail because when I dipped it into the yellow, the application didn't really look good. So I poured the yellow and it looked way better. I did 3 layers and then I applied the circle glitters to the nail. Then I encapsulated the nails with Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed 1 layer. I also applied activator in between layers to ensure that the nail remained clear with little to no bubbles. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now if I wanted to choose the powder top coat, I would apply some activator, wait a while, then apply one layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel top coat, I don't have to apply any activator. I just go in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. When the nail cooled down, I apply some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!